Hello everyone, today we are going to prepare an immunity boosting drink with the simple ingredients. Let us add 1 liter of water and let it boil for some time. Now add 1 teaspoon of turmeric and 1 teaspoon of jeera and 1 inch of ginger and 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. Let all this boil for some time. And then now you squeeze 1 lime. I am adding the peels, which is little bitter. So if you doesn't want this bitterness, you can remove the peels. But these peels are very much good for health. Let us boil it till it becomes a half a liter. And you can store it in refrigerator and you can heat and use once you wanted to use it. And now you filter it. This serves really good with the palm sugar and jaggery. So palm sugar reduces the body heat. So you can use palm sugar, which is very much good for health. Thanks for watching.